Welcome back, Bladers. Whether you listen to R&B, classic rock, country music, or even show tunes, music has a way of evoking certain emotions that no other sensory element can match. As they say, without music, life would be boring. But what happens to our brains when we listen to music? And how does a catchy tune or familiar chorus affect us when we're taking part in exercises that require concentration, like driving? Welcome to Our Daily Drive. If you are not subscribed yet, you are missing out. Our topic today is really nice. We will be talking about how music affects your brain while you drive. Let's get right into it. Number 1. If you listen to happy music, you're more likely to see a person's neutral expression as happy, whereas sad music will paint that same expression in a more negative light. Some people believe that this means we can understand the emotions of a musical piece without actually feeling them, which explains why certain people can enjoy sad music despite having radiant personalities. Number 2. Music can also spur creativity. Studies show that ambient noise can trigger the parts of the brain responsible for creative thinking, in part because music triggers short-term memory receptors. This means that playing music, specifically soothing instrumental tunes, at a modest volume can potentially leave listeners feeling more creative and even productive. With that said, music can also be a distraction, and this type of distraction can hurt one's ability to comprehend, think, and even act. This is when music can become a problem, especially when driving. Number 3. Important outside sounds are muted. When you choose to listen to music in the car, you risk muting important sounds that come from outside your vehicle, such as an ambulance or police interceptor. And the louder your music plays, the lower your chances of being alert to a road emergency are. That is why it is critical that the music inside our car should still allow us to hear outside sounds. Enjoying our topic today? We have created a playlist of driving music specifically to keep drivers, like you, in a good mood during your daily drive. Check out Bandung Blade, Motoring Music Festival on Spotify and Apple Music. It is a collection of various genres to keep you company while stuck in traffic. Also look for the Visor Driving Music playlist. You will love the whole collection of popular hits. It is difficult to turn off music altogether while driving, but it is necessary for certain situations. If you are a new driver, an easily distracted driver, or even if you're getting used to a new vehicle, do yourself a favor and put the radio on pause until you feel entirely comfortable with your driving arrangements. And even then, be sure to listen to your favorite tunes at a moderate level. Enjoy your daily drive. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. It's Blade, it's better.